Subscribe for my channel Amol Ujagre and hit the bell icon for latest update.
Have you seen the movie Karate Kid? One incident I want to share from that movie. So actually in this movie there is one kid who wishes to learn the Kung Fu and Karate. Actually he is very indisciplined kid. His mother don't like his indiscipline, every time he used to come to the house he just take out his jacket and throw it here and there, then he take out his shoes and throw it here and there. So his mother actually don't like it. She repeatedly try to tell him that keep the things at proper place, right? But it doesn't work. And as I said, he is fond of the kung fu and karate. Actually the reason behind it, he is continuously being bullied in his school by some students, and he want to fight with them, and to fight with them he want to learn the kung fu and karate. So after some days he come to know that in his building there is a person who is doing the plumbing work for the building. He was champion of kung fu and karate, so he convinced his parents that I want to learn kung fu and karate from that person. Okay, by the way, in that movie the person is Jackie Chan. So they come to Jackie Chan and request for being a mentor of their kid. So initially he refuses, but later on he agrees. He observed the behavior of the kid. He observed that he is very indisciplined person. So once he called the kid for training. So the kid goes to his house. It was day one. So Jackie Chan says that do one activity and keep doing it until I don't say you to stop. So the activity was there. There was a hanger. He was being asked to take out his jacket, hang it on the hanger, again take it out from the hanger, wear it, then remove it and hang it. Okay, so this was the repeated activity he's been asked to do, and he was annoyed for this, and he said that when you are going to teach me the kung fu or the karate. So he said that don't stop the things until I said to you. And at the end of the day, only with this single activity, the day is finished and he comes back to the home, and his mother asks, son, what did you learn today? The kid says, nothing. He removes his jacket and put properly on the hanger. So what do you learn from this? Practice makes man perfect. Do you agree with this? Actually, this is not true. Practice only makes the things permanent. Whatever you practice. If you practice wrong things will become permanent. If you practice right things will become permanent. And same in this movie, the teacher, the trainer tried to tried to do with the kid. He tried to add the right things permanently in the kid. Fine. So in our life there are so many things which are actually right, but we repeatedly practice the wrong things, and the wrong things are become permanent. Now if you want to change this habit, then find out all the right things that are actually right for you and practice them. So thank you for watching this video. This is Amol Ujagre signing off. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.